Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your ING Direct account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. First, open up a preferred web browser of your choice and into the URL box, type in the URL myaccount.ing.com and press enter. You'll end up in the login page of ING Bank. You can easily access to your account by entering a username in the first text box. Make sure to type in the correct username and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password or your username, you can get help by clicking Lost Your Login Details link right next to the login button. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little box at the bottom. Make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Finally, click the login button and you'll be able to access your ING Direct account online. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.